Channel 17 here in southwestern Ohio. Oh boy.
9:30, 10 o'clock. Again, will you, bud? You're dead again. I said, that's all right. You should have heard what they were saying about you and Dudley last night on Channel 12 about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Hey, Roger. Well, you know, we all got to get it out sooner or later there, Ford. Yeah, Ford. Dudley wanted to shave Cream Man's balls. Tell him, Dudley. Somebody's got to do it. Yeah, it's a dirty job, but I mean, damn. Jeez. Not the way you was explaining it. No, tell us, Red. Tell us why I said it. You said that you was going to start from the back in the brown eye with your tongue and work forward up to his balls and the rest there. And once you got them all clean and all slobbery and all that there, you'd help, you told him that you'd take and shave his balls for him while you hold his pecker up, Roger. Okay. Yeah, I sort of remember something like that. Okay. I thought that you would. That's all I wanted to say. I'll be good now. But it was him talking about what you done to him last time he was over there. We laid on the daybed together, Ford. You know, it's getting too crazy even for me. Hey, Red. Yeah,